Hey guys, Tamara here. So I've been updating a lot of my business stuff as I prepare to launch my newest course about building bots. And I wanted to show you guys how to integrate your chatbot to your email subscriber. Now, for me, I use MailChimp just because it's simple, it's easy, and it integrates well with a lot of different things. This same chatbot integration will work with other subscribers, and you can use Zapier to use other email platforms, but I'm going to show you the one that I use because it's simple and dirt cheap. So for those of you that are just starting out, this is a great alternative. So I love and use ManyChat to build all of my flows. Let me close out all these things here. Get to our main screen. Now, this is assuming you've already attached a flow to your page or that you know how to do that. Here's my test page, show you guys what's going on. So I'm going to create a new flow. And we're just going to call it chatbot training create. So mine opens up inside Flow Builder just because that's how I like to see it. Most people will have theirs open up into the standard builder. You can choose to do it however. I like mine in Flow Builder. It's easier for me to read and look at. So what I'm going to do is I might say, hey there, thanks for checking out my page. Would you like my free training on how to quickly grow your business with a chatbot? They're going to say yes, or they're going to say no, and that's okay. If they say no, we're just going to put a little message right here. That's okay, or whatever it is you want to put. Change your mind. But we're working on the yes. That's what I want to show you. So let's say they say yes. We're going to go, great, send message. But we actually want to hit user input. Now what user input allows us to do is they get a free keyboard. And so I'm just going to get rid of this because we don't need it. Great. This opt-in is going to quickly show you, type in too fast, how a bot can make your business better and how to successfully set it up. Please just confirm your email below and I'll get it right over to you. Now you can't see it, but it's going to have their email. So reply type, you're going to hit email, and it actually pulls their email that they use to sign up for Facebook with, and that's how it sets the email up. Email the system field. It'll have them re-enter if they haven't entered their actual email properly. At that point, you're going to perform an action. Now that part's super important because that's what moves them over to the mailing list. So when I perform the action, I'm going to click over here. And then I'm going to add them in my MailChimp actions. In order to make this pop up, you guys have to make sure that you do the integrations inside your settings, but it's super, super easy. So select action. I'm going to add my subscriber to a list. Now, if you already have a list you want to add them to, they'll drop down right here, like this one you see, opt-in for chatbot sequence. Or you could go into your MailChimp, you're going to create a new audience. Make sure you hit refresh and then hit refresh again in your chatbot and it'll show up. And I'm going to use opt-in for chatbot right here and save it. So now they're dialed in. As soon as I hit subscribe, they'll go through my welcome list that I already created, which that should be, you know, standard hat. Hey, thanks for joining my sequence. Here's the opt-in that you asked for, and then follow up and nurture accordingly. Hit publish. And boom, you're good to go. So that, in a nutshell, my friends, is how to move over your chatbot flow to your email. At this point, if you didn't have MailChimp, you could trigger a Zap and move it over with Zapier. But that's a different training. If it's something you're interested, please reach out and let me know and we can talk about it. But MailChimp is really easy to integrate over here with ManyChat. All right, have a wonderful rest of your night. This is Tamara with Business Boldly. Please feel free to reach out if you'd like a free marketing assessment or you want to know more about chatbots and how to make them work for you.